In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and download a sales report in Zoho Books, an essential task for anyone looking to keep track of their business's sales performance accurately. Let's get started by logging into your Zoho Books account. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Zoho Books website and enter your credentials to access the platform. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar on your dashboard. This is where you will find various sections that comprise your Zoho Books account. We're interested in the Reports section today, so go ahead and click on that. The Reports section is your go-to for analyzing various facets of your business operations, providing you with detailed insights into different categories of your financial activities. Within the Reports section, you'll see a variety of categories. Today, we're focusing on sales. Under this category, you'll find several options for sales reporting. Depending on what you wish to analyze, you can choose from options like sales by customer, sales by item, or sales by salesperson. Select the report type that best suits your needs to proceed. Next, you'll want to specify the time frame for your report. Zoho Books provides an easy way to select common date ranges, such as this month, last quarter, or even this year. However, if you're needing something a bit more tailored, click on the Custom option to define a specific period. This flexibility ensures that you only look at the data relevant to your current analysis. Once the date range is specified, you might have additional criteria to refine your data further. Zoho Books allows you to apply other necessary filters, such as filtering by account or using a reporting tag. After setting all your desired parameters, click on Run Report to generate your sales report. In just a moment, Zoho Books will compile the information and your report will display on the screen. The final step involves downloading the report for your records or further analysis. At the top right of the displayed report, you'll notice a few icons. Among them is the Download or Export icon. This is what you'll need. Click on it, and you'll be presented with different file formats to choose from, such as PDF and XLS. Select the format that suits you best, depending on how you intend to use the report. For instance, a PDF might be best for sharing with others, whereas an XLS file can be ideal for further data manipulation in a spreadsheet program. Once you've selected the file format, the report will be downloaded directly to your computer. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive method to generate and download sales reports from Zoho Books, enabling you to keep a finger on the pulse of your business's sales with ease.